Hello, I welcome you again to this next session of Yaman, where we will start with the Bandish. This will be a very short, crisp video tutorial on a Bandish. This Bandish is a traditional Bandish, and in this video, in this part, we will do the sargam. We will do the swar and the sur of this Bandish. This Bandish is actually very famous Bandish. The words, the lyrics of this Bandish goes like this. It's Sakhi eri ali piya bina, Sakhi eri ali piya bina, Sakhi kalan padat mohe, ghadi pal chin din. This is the sthai. The antara is, the second paragraph is सखी जब से पिया परदेस गवन कीनू, रतिया कटत मोरी तारे गिन गिन. One thing, whenever we learn any bandish or any bandish in any rag, we can find that the bandishes are short. They are not huge, they are not long. Mostly they comprise of two paragraphs, the sthai and the antara, and generally they are of like 3-4 lines each. Basically, before starting with the swars and the notations of the Bandish, I would like to explain something to you, that if we learn the Bandish properly, exactly the way I have been taught and what I'll try to share with you all. Bandishes are basically the building blocks of the rag. Okay, I know the rag is first made and then we compose a bandish. So technically a bandish can never be a building block of the rag, but for students like us, we have to treat the bandishes as the building blocks of the rag, because we first have to learn the rag. We first have to learn the bandish and then correlate it with the rag that we are learning, because bandishes are comparatively much more attractive to us, the students of music. And with the help of a bandish, if we learn the bandish properly and if we learn the intricate details of the bandish, then we can just make a comparative study between the bandish and the rag in which it is based on, and just try to understand the details of the rag through the bandish. So if we can learn a bandish which is more attractive than just swars and details of the rag, it's a song, so it's basically more attractive. And thus we will start with this bandish and then try to find a few phrases of the rag through this bandish. Now, we also have to keep this in mind, that a bandish is basically made up of different phrases and innovative phrases, imaginative phrases, not the simple ones only, because the simple ones are like 7 or 8 in Yaman. That's it. What do we do next? So, through a bandish, over here through this bandish, we will learn how the innovations are made and how the simple phrases which were there, which we learned in the previous class, are imagined in a new way, and some of them are brought together, like 2 or 3 maybe more phrases together, and a new phrases, a sentence is born. Because like when we bring together a few phrases, there is a meaningful sentence that is born out of it. So we are going to learn through this bandish how the phrases are brought together and a meaningful characteristic of the rag is projected through the parts of the bandish. Let's get into the bandish without any further ado. We have Mr. Speaker today with us. Mr. Speaker will be playing the Tintal and the Tanpura. We miss Shomnath sir today in this class. He'll be back very soon. I'll sing the first. I'll sing the lines without the tal first, very slowly and distinctively, each lines, and then I'll put them into the tal and sing. And this recording will be in pitch C. I'll try to give you a recording of in maybe B and one recording in D also, for the benefit of you. Then you can sing with the recording and match your voice with the recording and prepare it. Okay. So it starts from ga, but like ga, ga. So basically it starts from Tivrama. Ga, ma, ni, pa. This is the sur. The basic difference between a sur and a swar is the sur is the mood or the formation of the rag or the characteristic of the rag, and the swar is basically the exact notes that we are going through. Like for example over here, maga ma mani dhani thapamaba gare sanireza gare ma maga maga pama mani dhani thapamaba gare sanireza gare maga. So it becomes difficult to sing a bandish through only swars, though we must try to sing a bandish or try to find out all the swars or the intricate details of the of the line. But when we are singing a bandish and it's sur, we cannot always sing the sur. The swar. We have to sing the sur of it. So it goes like ga ma ni pa re sa ga re ma ga ga ma ni pa re sa ga re ma ga. Again the first line, ga ma ni pa re sa ga re ma ga pa pa ga ma ga pa ma dha ma pa ni da pa re sa. The second line, pa pa ga ma pa ma dha ma pa ni ni pa re sa ga ma pa ma dha ma pa ni pa re sa ni pa re sa ga re ma ga. We again came back to the first line. So ga ma ni pa re sa ga re ma ga. Again ga ma ni pa re sa ga re ma ga. Second line pa pa ga pa ma dha ma pa ni pa re sa ga pa ma dha ma pa ni pa re sa ni pa re sa ga re ma ga. You might have a few questions regarding ni pa re sa ga re ma ga. So sa ga. Why did I sing ga after sa? After repeatedly saying that there is nothing in the ascending order from the sa or pa. Because sa ga sa ga sa ga re ma ga sa ni ga re ma ga is the exact swar of it. Ga ma ni pa re sa ni ga re ma ga pa ga pa ma dha ma pa ni pa. So pa ni pa ma ni pa re sa. Whenever I'll be singing any swar after pa or sa, you can notice that there is something else that I'm trying to sing over here. Sa ga pa ni pa. So it's basically pa ma ni pa re. So I'm taking the help of Tivrama or Shuddhani to sing the other notes from sa or pa, because I cannot travel in the ascending order direction from sa or pa, because that is a rule of Yaman. So those are the two lines of the sthai, and the antara is pa pa sa 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 ni da ni sa ni ni pa 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 sa 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 ni da ni sa ni ma pa re ma sa 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 ni ni sa ni ma pa ma ga re sa ni ma pa ni pa re sa. First line pa pa sa 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 ni ni sa ni ma pa 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 sa 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 और pa pa sa 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 ni da ni sa ni ni ma pa. Next line ma ga re sa ni da ma pa ni pa re sa ma ga re sa ni ma pa ni pa re sa. Again pa pa sa 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 ni ni sa ni ma pa 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 sa sa pa pa sa 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 ni ni sa ni ma pa ma ga re sa ni ma pa ni pa re sa ni pa re sa ga re ma ga. Every time I'm trying to sing ni, if there is a problem, then you can also sing mani dhani pa re sa ni ga re ma ga. Just to clarify that ni, this part, it might be a bit difficult for new musicians or new learners to sing ni pa. You can always go for mani dhani pa re. Simple, as simple as that. Mani dhani pa re sa ga re ma ga. I'll sing with the tal right now. First I'll try to sing it as simple as possible. Then I'll try to sing with a bit of a gaiki. That's Mr. Tabla. I think, yeah, this sounds nice. Tin tin ta trik tin tin dha dha tin tin dha. And the bandish starts from the 7th beat of the tal. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ga ma ma ni dha ni pa re sa ga re ma ga. Ga ma ma ni dha ni pa re sa ga re ma ga. Ga ma ni pa re sa ga re ma ga. Ma sa ni pa re sa ga re ma ga. Simple part, simple formations. 1, 2, 3. Ga ma ma ni dha ni pa re sa ga re ma ga. Ga ma ma ni dha ni pa re sa ga re ma ga. Pa pa ga ma pa ma dha ma pa ni pa re sa ga ma pa ma dha ma pa ni pa re sa ma ni dha ni pa re sa ga re ma ga. Ga ma ni pa re sa ni ga re ma ga. Antara. Pa pa sa 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 ni da ni sa ni da pa ma pa. Pa pa sa 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 ni da ni sa ni da pa ma pa. Ma ga re sa ni da pa ma pa ni pa re sa. Ma ga re sa ni da pa ma pa. Ma ni dha ni pa re sa. Ma ni dha ni pa re sa ga re ma ga. Ga ma ni pa re sa ga re ma ga. Pa pa ga ma pa ma dha ma pa ni pa re sa ga ma pa ma dha ma pa ni pa re sa ni pa re sa ga re ma ga. Ma sa ni pa re sa ga re ma ga. Antara. Pa pa sa 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 ni da ni sa ni ma pa. Pa pa sa 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 ni da ni sa ni ma pa. Ma ga re sa ni ma pa ni pa re sa. Ma ga re sa ni ma pa ni pa re ga ma sa ni pa re sa. Become a bit complicated, I know. Pa pa sa 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 ni ni sa ni ma pa. Pa pa sa 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 ni sa ni ma pa. Ma ga re sa ni ma re ni pa re ga ma sa ni pa re sa. I just improvised a bit at the end. Ma ga re sa ni ma pa ni pa re sa. Ma ga re sa ni ma re ni pa re sa. sa ga re ma ga. That's the notation, I mean the Sargam Geet. If we sing the Sargam in a way that it's like a song, we call it a Sargam Geet. Now, a very important part of Bandish learning is reading the Bandish. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sakhi eri ali piya bina. Sakhi eri ali piya bina. Sakhi kalan padat mohe khadi pal chin dena. Kalan padat mohe घड़ी पल छिन दिन एरी आली पिया बिना. सखी एरी आली पिया बिना. सखी जब से पिया परदेस गवन कीनू. जब से पिया परदेस गवन कीनू. रतिया कटत मोरी तारे गिन गिन. रतिया कटत मोरी तारे गिन गिन. एरी आली पिया बिना. You can practice with, you can always practice with what I've sung right now, because what I've read out right now, because the pitch won't matter because I'm just reading. So try to read that with this recording many number of times. Now I'll sing the Bandish. Sakheri ali piya bina. Sakheri ali piya bina. Sakhi kalan padat mohe घड़ी पल छिन दिन. कलन पड़त मोहे घड़ी पल छिन दिन. एरी आली पिया बिना. सखी एरी आली पिया बिना. सखी कलन पड़त मोहे घड़ी पल छिन दिन. कलन पड़त मोहे घड़ी पल छिन दिन. एरी आली पिया बिना. That was an improvisation. एरी आली पिया बिना. सखी एरी आली पिया बिना. सखी कलन पड़त मोहे घड़ी पल छिन दिन. कलन पड़त मोहे घड़ी पल छिन दिन. एरी आली पिया बिना. अंतरा. सखी जब से पिया परदेस गवन कीनू. जब से पिया परदेस गवन कीनू. जब से पिया परदेस गवन कीनू. रतिया कटत मोरी तारे गिन गिन. रतिया कटत मोरी तारे गिन गिन. जब से पिया परदेस गवन कीनू. जब से पिया परदेस गवन कीनू. रतिया कटत मोरे तारे गिन गिन. रतिया कटत मोरे तारे गिन गिन. सखी रे याली पिया बिना. I'll give you a few examples. I mean, this is the end of the Bandish, okay? You have to prepare till here. Now, I'll give you some examples of how the random notes can be brought together and formed as tans. Nida pa ma ga re sa ni da ni re ga ma da ni re ga re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa sakhi re ya re ga re ga ma ba re ga ma dha pa ma dha pa ma ga ma dha ni re ga ni da pa ma ga sa ni da pa ma ga re sa sakhi re ya re piya. Just a combination of random notes. Pa ma dha pa ma ga re ma ga dha pa ma ga ta ma ni da pa ma dha ni sa ni ma dha ni sa ni da ta pa ma ga re sa sakhi re ya re piya bina. Ma ga ma dha ni sa ni pa ma dha ni sa ni ma dha ni dha ga ma dha ni re ga ni da pa ma ga ma dha ni sa ga ma dha ni sa re ga sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ke re ya re piya bina. That's how you form tans. Pa ma re ga ma dha pa ni re pa ma re ga ma dha ni re sa ni da ni re ga dha ni sa ma dha ni ga sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ga sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ga sa ni da pa ma ga re sa sakhi re ya re piya bina. Just following the rules of the rag. That's you cannot use sa re sa ga sa ma sa re ga ma or pa dha ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. You cannot use like this. Pa ma ga re ga ma dha ni re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ga re ga ma dha ni ga ma dha ni re ga re sa ni da pa ma dha ni da pa ma ga re sa ni sa re ya re ga re ga ma ba re ga ma dha ni da pa ma ga re ga ma dha ni re sa ni da ni re ga dha ni sa ma dha ni da pa ma ga re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa sakhi re ya re piya bina. Ga ga re ma ga re ga ma ga dha da ma ga ma dha da ma ni da ma dha ni da re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa sakhi re ya re piya bina. Sakhi re jab se long notes piya 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 bina. Jab se पिया परदेस गबन किनु जब से पिया परदेस गबन किनु जब से पिया परदेस गबन किनु जब से पिया परदेस गबन किनु रतिया कटत मोरे तारे गिन गिन रतिया कटत मोरे तारे गिन गिन रिया रे पिया बिना सखी रिया रे पिया बिना सखी रिया रे रिया रे there are so many components of a khayal performance. This was not a performance, okay? This was not at all a performance. This was just an example of a few parts of a performance. I sang the bandish in a detailed way. First the notations and then the bandish. Then I sang a few examples of tans. These are all spontaneous. Like I cannot prepare all so many sargams or tans and sing at one go. So you can understand that these are like made on spot over here. Okay, so that's the beauty of tans, that you have to make them on the go. And if you just prepare it from beforehand and just just sing on the stage, it doesn't have any influence or impact on the audience, because they already know that theek hai, he has learned all these things. But singing a pattern or singing something live without prior preparation or learning is something challenging and very important for khayal music. So tans, yes, we don't have much time to discuss about tans in this semester, but I'm sure if we meet later on, we'll discuss about how to make tans or how to perform them. But for right now, we will. I also sang a few vistars. Vistars means just expanding the lyrics. Piya, Bina. I sang a bit of a vistar in the upper octaves just before going to the antara. So that's like a expansion of the lyrics only. And I have not gone into the section of vistars or any other sections, to be very honest, because we didn't have much of a time. So right now we have only done the bandish and we'll be doing the bandish. This is pitch C, so that everyone present over here can sing, because the guys also can come down a bit of like 1 or 2 steps down and sing from C, and the girls, it will be fine for you also, I think, if you just practice a bit and then go back to your own original pitches and start practicing from there. So that's the bandish, and that's all we are going to do in this semester, at least of 2021. And the notations, I mean the swar and the sur of the bandish should be prepared first, because those are the building blocks on which we will place the lyrics and prepare the lyrics. So singing the Sargam Geet first and then singing the bandish is our motto for the upcoming few classes. With that, we thank Mr. Speaker for being with us, and I'll see you soon, and we'll discuss more details of the bandishes in the live classes. Okay? Thank you.